Another day, another package I have to unload. This is something I did like yesterday. I came back to the idea I wanted to try to paint some stuff and some helmets. This is what I did yesterday. A small transition, and I'll do some designing later on. Yeah, this is like it's not a permanent paint booth. This is just for now because normally the normal paint booth gonna be there, but for the meantime that's okay. So today we received another package. Let me get my keys. It's something really big. Yeah. So basically it's the Bodykit from Autosport Plastic. I'm gonna unload and show you. Yeah, that's huge. I think it's a bicycle box. Let's go have a look. But mostly I'm excited for the front ones. Let's go. Okay, now we can't fully see how it's gonna look because we have these inserts, the air ducts here. I have to cut this thing here. But basically, you got the idea. Fucking sweet! This is going to be something mixed with Autosport Plastic Bodykit for this year because I was going to make mine with the 3D print and stuff, but the time it takes, I don't really have it at the moment, so I decided to go with these guys here because they kind of look of the design I want to make almost. So yeah, for this year I'm gonna go with this one until I fix mine one. And also, as you see, we do have more updates on the car, trying to make something. So basically the goal for me here is to build an E46 on a Kansai-style Japanese drift car, probably most of all, like the ones you see in Meihan, like Naoki Nakamura's cars, and the D-Max S15 also. It's different, but still. So yeah, basically this is what we're building here, something unique, something different from others, I hope, and something more that emphasizes me. That's because, as you know, I'm a real more enthusiast of the S chassis than the European versions of the sports cars we have here, but it was a more cheap solution and wise solution, especially if you go to competitive drifting, to go something with a chassis more available in your country and the countries around. So yeah, and hopefully I'm gonna make it to round 2. I mean, I will make it. It's almost 2 months away because we're not going to round 1. We're gonna go straight to round 2, and this will be in Larissa, which will be the reveal of the new look of the car. So we got 1.5 to 2 months to finish up all of it. The final parts to come in, the underglows and stuff. So yeah. Thanks for watching for this small episode, and I'll see you in the next one.